Welcome to Elevate Your Consciousness. My name is Birma, a spiritual teacher. During this meditation, I learned all about the meaning of the F word. I understood that when you say the F word to someone, it is an actual curse. When you say that word, the word actually has a vibration, and within that vibration, there is something very negative contained within. There is actually negativity within it. So when you say the word to someone, what it means and contains is, I wish you dead, I wish you sickness, death, and I wish you the worst. That is contained within that F word when you utter it to someone. In addition, it contains the vibration of hate. You're saying to someone, I hate you, all within that F word. And that is the emotion that goes behind the FU. And when you say it to someone, you might not see it right away, but something happens to that person because you're sending sickness, you're sending a curse to them. And that's why that word is called a curse word. And that is because it is an actual curse word. And when you say that to your loved one, and you say F you to your loved one, you are saying all those things to them. You're sending hate, the wish for death, all that is going toward your loved one. All of those negative energies is going toward your loved ones. And where does it go? It goes straight to their heart. Because since they love you, it goes straight to their heart. And that can create sickness within their heart, where their heart might not work properly, and at the end they might die from a heart attack, and you won't even know why they die. And it was because all those curses that you were sending their way all those years. However, the most powerful word in the universe is the word love. So the best thing to do is send them love, because within the vibration of the word love, there is prosperity, goodness, abundance. Everything that you consider to be good, you will be sending it to that person. You're sending it when you say the word love toward someone. So instead of saying the F word, change your vocabulary to the love word. I love you. And you could be the receiver of the FU. So how can you protect yourself when somebody says FU to you? And the way you protect yourself, you say love. Because the universe is made out of love. There's nothing more powerful than the word love. So when someone is attacking you, cursing you, and saying F you say inside, you say love. And you imagine yourself being showered by the word love. Love, going down your body, showering yourself with love. When you do that, that F word cannot penetrate you and make you sick, because that sickness that they're sending to you cannot get to you when you are protected by the word of love. They cannot get you. They won't be able to curse you. And if you have within your heart already that curse because someone cursed you out and said F you to you prior, send love to your heart. Send love to that area where you think that word was sent, that curse was sent. If it was a family member that said that to you, go to your heart and say, I love you, heart. Send the love that way. I love you, heart. And that hate that was sent your way would have no other choice. It won't be able to impact you. It will have no other choice but to get out of your heart, because it is living in your heart right now. Because if someone said that to you before, it's in there. That's why it is so painful when someone says F you to you, especially a loved one, and it goes straight to your heart, and it can damage your heart. And the way to heal and combat that sickness in there is by sending love to the heart. So remember this for next time you are in a confrontation with someone and they're saying F you to you. You imagine yourself being showered by love, and you quietly say the word love within you and protect yourself. And what you're doing is you're forming a shield of protection so that F word can't damage you, can't get you. The energy of the word F you is very dark, and that darkness comes at you at the speed of light. But when you say the word love, it's like putting a stop, locking the door so it can't get in and F you cannot enter. Love is white energy. So when the darkness is coming at you and you say love, it lightens the whole path. No darkness can come in where the light exists. No darkness, no curse. Remove any FU that anyone has ever told you. Remove it with the word love. Take it out of you with love. Send love to your body, because anybody could be sending negative energy to you by their words, because words are very powerful. We are creative beings. We are the creator in a body who simply has forgotten, and we have power. And when we say words, we have to be very careful what we say. Send love, always. Send love to the things that you're not sure about. If you have doubts about anything, send love. Whatever it is, you send love. That is the most powerful word that can make things go well for you. If you put love into it, put love into everything that you do, every single thing, put love in it. And say the word love more often. Say it to the people that you love. Say it to your job so things can go well. And don't say F this job. Those are negative things, and you're putting curses in there. Say, I love this job. Everything is going to be so much better going forward. Everything is going to work out for me. Everything's going to go so great. There's so much love coming for me. There's so many good things coming to me. That's what you have to say. So remember that the word love is the most powerful word in the universe, and you can use it to make your life the way you want it to be. Imagine your life the way that you want it to go, and insert love in there. Fill that space with love, and it will go that way. It will go your way. During the meditation, I was also shown that our thoughts have energy. Imagine a pinball game. You have different slots, and the ball can go this way, that way, or the other way. It can go many different ways when you hit the ball. When you hit that ball. And that is how reality is, and how it kind of works. With your thoughts, you were given a free will. However, everything has already been created. So like I said, imagine the slot with the pinholes. Those holes equate a possibility. Those holes are a possibility. There are millions and billions and billions of possibilities that have already been created. The Creator knows how it's going to go. It's already known. It has been created. However, with your free will and the power of your thoughts, it attracts the possibility that you are thinking about to you. It brings it closer to you. So the more you think about it, the more energy you give it. the more it comes closer to you. Meaning that, for example, if I want to have 3 acres, let's say I want to have a property with 3 acres, there's a possibility in my future where I could buy those 3 acres. So if I put positive energy toward it, everything around me starts to shift. So everything can align. So I can get to that land where there is 3 acres from me. That's what that means. However, if I change my mind, if I start thinking something different, I push away the possibility and bring about a different possibility. Here's an example. There's a couple. She wants 3 acres. She wants a huge land. And the husband, he wants an apartment. He really doesn't care about land. And since they both have a say in their future and how they want it to be, one is thinking one way and the other one is thinking differently. But for their reality to come together, they have to meet in the middle. And they have to convince each other either to go with the 3 acres or with the apartment. So they could probably come to the decision that they want an apartment with 3 acres. That's a possibility too. So after they both come to an agreement and their minds are set with the same ideas, with the same thoughts, with the same wish, now it will be easier for them and for their reality to come faster, because now they're in sync, both thinking about 3 acres of land and an apartment. So everything will be aligned so they can get along, so they can get this perfect apartment with a 3-acre lot. They might have to move, or they might have to build this apartment in their big land from scratch. But it becomes a reality for them because now they have the same wish. Now their mind is focused on that goal. So be very careful how you think, because that will be the future that you're creating. That is the possibility that you're creating with your thoughts. You're going toward that hole, toward that possibility with your thoughts, toward the rabbit hole. That's where your future is heading. So think right now how you want your future to be. Think about that and don't change your mind, because if that's your wish and that's what you want, keep thinking about it and it becomes a reality for you. Okay? That's how that works. Here's another curse word, the word shit. The negative energy that is within that word represents everything that is rotten, everything that is damaged and spoiled. Don't say that word. Don't say that curse word. If something bad happened, instead of saying the S word, say love. All love, holy love, so things can go well for you instead of rottening, spoiling for you, because that's what's going to happen. It's going to be spoiled for you. You're cursing yourself. You're cursing the things that you're calling it as word. Stop saying those words to curse yourself, to curse others. Those words that you think are so harmless, like the F word and the S word, and whatever other word you're saying are hurting you. They're hurting other people. They are actual curses. Stop saying them. Start saying the word love more often for everything. Make sure you put the word love into everything. You want things to go well for you? Say the word love in everything, for everything. Change your mind and change your future. Put more love into your speech. Make sure that the word love is said a lot throughout the day instead of the F and the S word, because those are curse words. Don't curse yourself. Don't continue to curse yourself and curse others. And don't continue to curse people you love. And remember to put love in your heart, put love in your speech, put love in your thoughts.